start with bathroom because it's easier. That's the other key. So we have 2 rooms. Forgot to ask for connect. Oh, they don't connect.
Cool.
So it didn't matter anyways. So they don't connect. It's fine. Oh, this door slides.
So that is such a space saver.
It is.
For rooms like this.
And you can still fix if like a kid accidentally locks himself in the bathroom. There's a second switch. All right. Hi. This is long travel. 11 hours. We've been on the road 11 hours.
Something like that, yeah.
All right. Drawers.
That's a fake.
That's a fake. That's a drawer. We don't have enough towels if everybody wants to shower, but that's okay. That I don't get that. Like if 4 people are staying, there's some that only do 3. It has the weird flush on it. We'll have to explain that to the kids. Extra rods in the bathroom. They have their own products. This is our first Hilton. Curved shower rod. We'll have this on our kids right here. All right, so here's what's different about this place. When you walk in, we have a full-size refrigerator and a full-size freezer. It might not be a bad idea to freeze some water bottles tomorrow or tonight. We have plenty. Oh yes, look. So we were worried about that. There is silverware. There's cookware with hot pads. And there's a toaster and a strainer. There's a garbage disposal. That's interesting. And stuff to wash dishes with because there's a dishwasher. Coffee maker in room. There's coffee. It's the Rainforest blend. Where did we have that? Was that Canada?
I don't remember.
Coffee pods.
People can go back and watch it themselves
Dishes.
and find it.
That's
It'd be like an Easter egg hunt.
It is an Easter egg hunt. Microwave, and it's clean. That is a very clean microwave. We have bowls, plates, paper towels. This is a nice kitchen setup. This is the first time we've done one with the kitchen setup, but it worked because it was cheaper for us to buy groceries this time. That worked better. Pretty clean dishwasher. This table looks like it pulls out. It's on wheels. Nice. So we'll be able to sit people there. There's a lamp. Plenty of shelf space. Hi, everybody. How do we turn the rest of the lights on? Because it was dark when we got here. So the reason...
Found a switch to the garbage disposal.
Let's show the kids to not touch that. Florida sign, because we're in northern Florida. This is a pull-out bed, which is why we booked it, so we could spread out. The little pull-out, the table pulls out too. That's cool. Full-size mirror will be great for everybody getting ready in the morning. Let's look at the end tables. I'm loving these ones that are higher up because then you can put smaller suitcases under them to preserve space. It does have USB and the outlets, which will be great for charging cameras. Lamp, queen size beds. That's soft. I love the big counter space here because we have 8 people. So that'll be nice. Extra bedding for the pull-out bed. I actually heard them talk to somebody else about that downstairs. Plenty of shelf space. Another cabinet of the same size with a safe with more drawers and shelf space as well. Yeah. Then we have, this is a lot of shelf space. I highly appreciate lots of shelf space. Plenty of outlets. Here's even more outlets over here with USB ports and both outlets, because like the battery chargers for the cameras use outlets still, and then our phones would use the USB. Even more on the side of the bed. Like there's tons of outlets. I can highly appreciate that. Huge closet. Like this is a great room for, I'm not even sponsored. This is a great room for family size. I like the curtain. It's like the one at Country Cascades, I think. And the air conditioning unit, blinds. Probably just leave them closed at this point. Pretty easy to open. Oh, it's double layered. Courtyard view. There's a second one. Yeah, so we can actually see our vehicles from here. And palm trees. She'd never seen palm trees. Ever. She actually thought they were not real. Look at the huge pillows. Lots of table space, lots of shelf space. Like, this is a really decent sized room. And so we actually have 2 rooms on the same floor. They don't do connecting rooms. And the other one looks exactly like this. Mm-hmm. That is really cool. That is. Thoughts? This was kind of quick, but thoughts?
So I really like the table. I'm seeing this right here being done.
Kids could watch TV and eat.
So people can eat like this.
Yeah. And this specific hotel has breakfast in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
The other thing I like, did you hear what the checkout time was?
Noon.
Yeah, noon.
I mean, we won't be here in
Right.
But that's still very cool.
What was in here? The extra bedding. And then lots and lots of... Oh, that's kind of nice though, because then it has the... They shouldn't be able to slam their fingers in it. Scan to leave a tip. That's actually nice because this was a cashless trip. Because once we get on the boat, there's no cash. So I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah, I greatly appreciate that. Notice this in the other room while we were eating dinner. Look up.
Oh yeah, I noticed that in the other room too. That's why she
Rebecca
pulled
can
out.
have all the privacy.
Yeah.
Well, what we could also do in the morning is get both of them to that side to get dressed while we're getting dressed on this side.